So, update. Nabili ko na yung mga... Nakabili ako ng pajamas. Pero mas... Na-complete ko na yung mga gamit ng anak ko for school. So, let's do some haul or whatever you call it. So, required sa kanila is shoes, gray shoes. Ito yung required sa school nila. So, pinili ko yung may ilaw-ilaw. Kasi alam na, pag bata, gusto nila yung fun shoes. Not the boring shoes. Fun shoes. Yes, that one. Tapos, required sa kanila is inside slipper. Kasi, yeah. Na meron silang inside slipper. And then, meron akong nabiling Elmo bags. I think this is kind of big, pero cute eh. My partner siya. Elmo bag. May estudyante na ako. Elmo bag. So, Elmo bag. I think I need to buy some lunchbox. Tapos, Elmo water jug. Whatever. So, machi-machi. And then, lunchbox. Wala silang Elmo lunchbox. So, ito na lang kinuha ko. So, lunchbox. And then, what else? Lunchbox. And then, uniform. Kasi, nag-order kami ng uniform na may tag. Pero, in the mga mid pa ng October darating. So, nag-order ako ng mga plain polo. Na-open ko na kanina. Polo. Medyo malaki. Cute! Medyo malaki siya, pero it's okay. For 2 years old. Yeah, I got 3. Tapos may darating pa akong 3. And then, cutie! Excited for him. Belt. This is the smallest belt they have. So, French Toast Shop brand. Ito yung smallest pens. Yeah, maybe I need to fold it. Tapos, belt, of course. Matchy sa up. Ito lang yung color. And then, meron akong ito. May, pwede siyang hilain. Jogger. Meron nakabili na ako last time ng 2 pa nito. So, meron siyang 4. And then, polo. Hindi kami kumuha ng long sleeve and coat yet. Kasi, hindi pa naman kasya sa kanya. So, okay pa naman daw to. So, yeah. Yeah, excited for this little guy.